All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. It's beard combing time. 'Cause I got plenty of beard to comb. I'm just kidding. Y'all know what time it is. It's that taste test time. And I got a taste test from the Blake Sniff Tester. He sent me a message today. He said, hey, you should try this place out. Sounds like it's going to be kind of good. I said, you know what? I just might go do that. And I went and I did that. And it's called Mochinut. Mochinut. And they have donuts. But not only do they have donuts, they have corn dogs on a stick. And they got a bunch of different flavors. So, here is my first flavors. All right. So, down here, open up this box right here. All right. And then we're going to look at this right here. And this is a crunchy cereal corn dog. And this is a crispy ramen corn dog. And this one here is a crispy ramen corn dog mozzarella stick. Half and half. All right. With that. Oh, wait, hold on. I got this over here too. I neglected to show. These are some sauces. These sauces over here, they are a mango habanero, a barbecue, a honey garlic, and a sweet Thai chili. Good sounding sauces or different sauces. So here we go. I am going to do the crispy cereal first. And I'm going to try it without any other sauces. All right, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta give it the Blake Sniff test. You know what? I think it's just like Frosted Flakes. So here we go. That's pretty tasty. And I am not a corn dog person. Well, this is all right. So which one should I try it in? I'm going to go with the honey garlic. I smell the honey. And I smell the garlic. All right. Here we go. Here's a big bite. Never mind that cough. It was all good. Oh, I'm dripping. Here we go. Mmm. 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 That is good. All right. So, that I don't make this video too long, I'll come back with some more videos. Because I am a fantasy football champion. Just so y'all know, Big Norm won the fantasy football in one of our 2 leagues. But I digress with that. And I'm going to give this crunchy cereal corn dog taste test a thumbs up. And especially a thumbs up with that honey garlic dipping sauce. That was all good. Ooh, it's got a little kick to it. That was nice. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on the YouTube and the TikTok. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Excuse me. Follow and subscribe on the YouTube and the TikToks. Go ahead and hit that notification bell on the YouTube. That way you can get notified whenever I'm posting a video. And then go ahead and share this with your friends and family. Have them share with their friends and family. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and leave me a comment. You know, like the Blake sniff tester. He was all like, Dad, why don't you go try this Mochinut? Because it's going to be awesome. And it was. All right. Y'all know what to do. We'll see you later on. Bye-bye.